ingredient for this, I have 1 numbers of breast of chicken breast, 1 bay leaf, 1 is rich cream, chopped onion, chopped garlic, spicy sausages, buttered mushroom, chopped parsley. I have 1 numbers of egg, and I just get a bottle of one in a Tesco. It's very easy. Just take your car, drive 5 minutes at Tesco, you get that. It's frozen. It's easy job. Okay, the first thing is this bottle of one. You have to take out from the box. This one I just buy in a Tesco, yeah. Easy. So you have to put like this in the baking tray. Maybe put like this in the baking tray, yeah. And then we're going to put some fresh milk. Okay, we have to brush. This one optional, yeah, this one. Or you can use egg and milk also can. Okay, now oven is hot, yeah. I put around is 200 gas, and now everything here we have to put in the oven now, yeah, for maybe around 20 to 50 minutes. Set up for okay. After that, the buttered mushroom, yeah, we just slice like this, cut half, and just slice small. Okay. You don't need to slice it very thin, because when you cook, the mushroom is going to be sweat. Okay, just chop roughly like this. And then same thing with the chicken, yeah. It is a big chicken breast, skin off, so make sure you have to cut the half like this. Okay, cut butterfly half like this. See that? After this, you have to cut cube. Set. Don't need to the same size, okay? When you cook with ball of wood, you don't see anything. Okay. See? Half, straight, turn a little bit, and cut cube. It's like looking for, yeah. Everybody can do this. It's easy. Okay, now the first thing is we have to heat the pan. We have to put some olive oil or butter, yeah. Not much, small little bit, like this. Okay. When this pot is hot, I think it's hot now. Straight away we put the chicken. We have to seal the chicken first. Okay. Make sure you see the chicken is both sides, yeah. Make sure all the chicken is covered. So when you cook chicken is brown, is actually is more flavor on this. Okay. If you cook the chicken, and some people they just boil the chicken and put in a steamer, that is no good, because you'll never get any flavor on that. So you have to see the chicken like this, both sides until the brown. Okay, now I can see the chicken already half cooked. So we have to take out from the pan, remove from the pan like this. Okay. So the next step is put a little bit more oil, not much. So time to saute is sausage, or chorizo, or Suxuk. Okay, this one you have to take a few minutes again for get the color and get aroma from the sausage. This one, and make sure it's not burnt. Make sure your heat not too strong on this. You have to be careful on this, yeah. Because sausage, when you fry it or you burn, it's gone, it's broken. You have to put in the bin. Okay. So now we can see now the sausage already brown. So this Suxuk, when you cook, they produce the oil, yeah. So you see, you don't need to put the oil anymore. So now they have to put the chopped garlic, okay, chopped garlic with the sausage, and also the chopped onion as well, okay. And still continue cooking until the onion is cooked. Till we get the aroma from the onion and sausage, okay. So it has to be step by step to cook to get the produce of the flavor. You can see is like that. That is good because this is what we're looking for, because this is the flavor is from. Okay, the next step is we have to put all the mushroom and continue cooking again, saute again, okay, until the mushroom is cooked before we put the cream, yeah. Okay, take another few more minutes on this. Okay, now it's very fast, isn't it? Very fast. So now the next step is we have to put the cream straight away, okay. Not much cream, very little. Maybe I'm going to use here is 500 ml. I'm going to use only 250 ml only. So now it's time for reduce, okay. And not forget is bay leaf. Okay, now make sure the reduce until the cream is consistent and thick, yeah. Okay, now we can see the cream and mushroom already consistent, is thick. So time we have to put back all the chicken, yeah. So continue cooking at least another 7-8 minutes, and this one make sure is low heat, otherwise your cream will be split. That is no good. But only one time you need to slowly to cook until they're thick, because I'm not going to use any flour for this. So I'm going to use 100% is thick is from the cream and gelatin from the chicken, yeah. Okay, now we can see they are very thick and consistent. The not last and not least is some white pepper powder, a little bit, and we need some sea salt, just little seasoning, okay. We have to cook another few more minutes before we put parsley, yeah. Okay, now we can see already consistent. I have to check the taste. Voila, the best. Okay, turn off the heat, and we have to put some chopped parsley, yeah, or you can put a chopped tarragon if you like. But this one I use a chopped parsley because I'm not going to use a tarragon because I use sausages. The sausages is the powerful of taste, so I don't want the tarragon kill the sausage or sausage kill the tarragon taste. So this look like. Now we have to check our ball of in the oven. Oh. Okay, now we have to check the ball of in the oven. It should be ready now. Ready. Ball of is ready now. So this one look like very funny. Okay, so we get maybe only 3 the nice one. This one is not. Okay, we leave it cold for a couple of minutes for this. Yeah. Now it's ball of when you cook, they always have a cover like this, so you have to use a knife, take up them, don't throw away, put somewhere like this. Right, maybe we need only 3 from here. Voila. And now time to put the chicken. Put a lot, yeah. Like this. Voila, nice. This look like, okay. So now we stuff chicken inside the balawan, yeah, like this. Okay. Make sure when you put inside the balawan, you don't put the bay leaf, okay. Bay leaf we take out and we just put only the chicken and meat only, like this. See that? Put a load. Boom. And not least is some chopped parsley on top. This is look like our chicken balavanya, so I hope everybody can try this. This is a chicken and a spicy sausage balavan. Bye.